I'm excited to share something game-changing with you today. As someone who's been in the digital marketing trenches for years, I've discovered some powerful tools that will shape the future of our industry. Let me walk you through my personal toolkit that's revolutionized the way I work, web-based tools. What really frustrates me is being tied down to a specific device or operating system. That's why I've made a dramatic shift to web-based tools in my marketing strategy. Let me tell you why this has been a total game changer for my business. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, and others are getting increasingly restrictive with the ecosystem. But here's the beautiful thing about web-based tools. They completely freed my business from these limitations. I can now work from anywhere on any device without worrying about compatibility issues or system requirements. Last month, my laptop crashed right before a critical client presentation. Instead of panicking, I simply borrowed a colleague's tablet, logged into my web tools, and delivered the presentation flawlessly. That's the kind of flexibility I'm talking about. Lifetime tools. Subscriptions have been eating away at our marketing budgets. When I calculated my annual subscription cost last year, I was shocked. That's when I made a strategic decision to invest in lifetime tools. Now, I'm not saying all subscriptions are bad, but I found that purchasing lifetime tools has saved my business thousands of dollars annually. For instance, I've invested in a lifetime deal for a second media management tool that would have cost me $50 a month on a subscription basis. Within just 8 months, it paid for itself. Here's where things get really interesting. AI-powered research tools. But let me be clear. I don't rely on AI blindly. Instead, I've developed a hybrid approach that's working wonders for my campaign. I use AI tools to gather and organize data, but I always maintain creative control. Think of it like having a super efficient research assistant who never sleeps. The key is finding tools that are unbiased and reliable. I've learned to be particularly cautious with free AI tools as they often come with hidden biases that could affect my marketing decisions. Email marketing is still absolutely crushing it in terms of ROI. I've tested countless marketing channels, but nothing has matched the conversion rates I get from my email campaigns. Having a robust email capture tool and autoresponder has been crucial to my success. I've seen my conversion rates increase by 150% since implementing a sophisticated email marketing campaign. The key is finding tools that offer both simplicity and power, something that can grow your business. I've shared my personal toolkit with you. Finding the right tools can be overwhelming. That's why I've put together a comprehensive resource guide for you. This place has a lot of the tools I mentioned, and it has been vetted, and most of them offer lifetime deals and meet the criteria I just spoke about. They also offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you're interested, the link is in the description. Remember, the future of digital marketing isn't just about having the right tools. It's about using them strategically. See you in the next video.